Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Going to show you how to replace your coil on your Alteras. Really simple. Just pull this spark plug boot right here and get that disconnected. Then run around to the other side. There are two screws up here. You're going to have to remove your side panel to get to this. Really easy to do. Just one bolt right here, two quick pins in it. Then undo these two bolts here. Get those out. And then your coil come loose from the ATV. Then there's just a plug right here to press the little catch on it. Pull that out. And then there is your coil right there. Then you'll just replace it by putting your new coil wire back in here. Kind of put that boot side over there. Get your screws installed back in here. And then plug your connector back on. Should click on there. Tighten these nuts down on the bolts. And run it back over here. And then you can just plug your spark plug boot back in. So that is how to replace your coil on your Alteras 550, 700. Similar for the 500, 400, 450s. Real similar for most ATVs actually, but that's how to do it on the Alteras. Hope you like this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow along. I'll see you guys in the next video.